everybody. How y'all doing? Today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Some things have happened. I'll have to wear one of these for a little bit. I am working in a different place where I can have my foot propped up. Normally I'd be standing here because that's one of the things I like about working in this space. But I also have a bench here. So the bench and I are going to be good friends. There was a great place to prop my foot up. I kind of broke it over the weekend and I'll be getting surgery next week. I have not taken any pain medicine today. So I wanted to just check out the market with a little bit of a clear head and see what's going on. There is FOMC coming up, so we want to be aware of that, but we have a little bit of time and it seems to be moving all right to give me something to work with. Oh, we are going to have class this Saturday, so we're going to be talking about divergences and how to look at the smaller divergences in the smaller time frame compared to the larger divergences in the larger time frame, when to expect it to just be pullbacks and when to really expect it to be a shift in a much bigger move. So those are some good things we're going to talk about. It will also include stuff about snapbacks and reversal bars because those are some of the key components to taking those trades. But don't forget, right now through June, we've got 30% off on You Profit Trader. So go and check that out. Besides that, I want to go ahead and check out this market. So let's see what's going on. This daily chart is mighty interesting. So what we can see is, remember how we talked about how they were starting to get a little bit lighter in here? Well, look what's happened. We've reached an area of resistance and we have pulled back. Now, do we think this is going to be a breakdown to the downside? It could be, but it doesn't really have. Reversal bar staying down on the 1597 into an area that could definitely give us the action to continue to the upside. I'm going to give this a chance. Okay, pulling, there we go. Now I'm going to pull this up to a break even. Watching this, still pushing up. I'd like to see it pull up to about here, but I'm going to pay attention and not try and force it to happen. As we're at that top Bollinger Band. Ooh, should I hit the close button here? I'm going to give this a +1. Yeah, okay. It definitely gave me a sign to get out as it was hitting that top Bollinger Band and not pulling back, or starting to pull back a little bit. That break even was going to get hit. Ooh, we'll see. Two ticks behind here, still at the zero line. It is starting to roll just a little bit here, but we've got some we got a little bit behind this, leading a little higher here at the zero line, still pushing up, starting to push down there on the 4181. time is it? 12:56. Oh, we're about to have. Yeah. Too early on. There we go. Might pull back a little further back below here. Yep. There we go. Oh, couldn't even move that second one before it got it.
No, he will literally go like, "Are you dumb?"
Aw, that's not cool.
I think there were 3 running in different directions, so if she would have focused on one right away, then she would have caught it.
Yeah.
That's what she
There we go.
I love these ones.
Garden warfare. 3.
Okay.
Is there a third one? No, that's
Okay.
Billy. Make him put on some huge feet highlights.
Billy actually really likes Billy.
Then do that.
This has a good chance of pulling back. So it's not popping through here. I'm hitting close. Oh, I don't think I hit close in time. Okay. We're gonna call that a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Let's check these out. 1650. We'll leave it at that. So if I'd have waited just a little longer to move my risk over, this might still be going, but I'm good with that. So let's go ahead and mark these up. I had to step away for a little bit, but besides that, we're good to go. So this first one, is this the first one? What time was this? 10:50. Yes. Okay. So I'm trying to get over those frustrations that come with noise being in the background, whatever situations may be about. Well, you know, like right now, I got a broken foot and a lisfranc injury that is going to require a couple of pens and some work to get it fixed. So it is what it is with that. We were just going down the river, got to a really shallow point, had to hop out, and my foot slipped between 2 rocks and crack, crack. I do not expect to be here much next week because of this injury. And I specifically did not take pain medicine today so I could trade. I don't want to, first off, let pain take control of my life. So I just have to say it is what it is. I just need to breathe through it. I've had 2 children I can deal with pain. So I've broken a tailbone, an ankle, a wrist, now a foot. I think that vacations may be my kryptonite. So I don't know. I don't want to believe that. I have canceled my vacation for California, which I'm not super stoked about, but it had to be done. So hopefully surgery next week. But otherwise, guys, don't forget about the 30% discount for You Profit Trader. I'll put a link down below so that y'all can check that out. If you've got any questions, definitely let me know. We do have some openings right now. So if you're looking to join, I know I'm a little on the mend, but that's okay. It doesn't mean that I can't still take care of you. Same here today. I like to try and keep a clear head about me. Oh, and I have a call that I'm late for, so I gotta run. All right, guys, hope everybody has a great day. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.